In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fade out audio here in Canva. So first off, we're going to need some audio. So I already have this in my upload section. So let's come over to here. We're on audio. Let's go ahead and add this track. Now, once you've added a track, let's just go on duration, just like that. But once you've added a track, it's really simple to fade in and also fade out. Now first off, you want to make sure you've enabled that music, but just by clicking on there. So if we come down to this purple bar, let's click on there, and then we want to come up to fade. And this is where we can fade in or we can fade out. Now you can do as many seconds as you want. So if we click on this bar, it's going to adjust the seconds. We can go all the way up to 2.5 as well, and it's the same for fading in. So you might want that at 2.5 seconds. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to fade out audio here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.